हेलो गाइस,
Hello
नमस्ते,
guys,
स्वागत
welcome back
देता
to
हूँ
my
मेरा
channel
चैनल को
Hanso T
हंसो टी
official.
ऑफिशियल. Please do not forget to
This
subscribe before
evening
start the video. This is the
I would like to share my few sadness since it's already been from April to full of the April months. Most of the villages has been sickness, like the most commonly sick is fever with coughing, cold coughing, right? Used to have tablet and all. They don't have any reaction. They have no curable. In each house of the family, the house to house, most of the villagers has been taking miserable. Okay, in this time condition in this village, not only in this village but under subdivision of Pongro, most of the villagers has been sick because we're in gold cough. When the reaction of the sickness, when they cough, they call their throat it's do panic, and at the same time their nose were clean close, like sneezing, too much of sneezing, and at the same time 3-4 days if we done then start bleeding. So this kind of disease has mostly commonly in the this rural area. So I would like to request to the all that uh, government to please provide the good facility in the hospital and supplies of the medicines and all. Please take into serious matter, then it will be very good and sounds for our for the people of the areas. And I will also concern with the church, all the churches and all the individuals. Please, if you please pray for them and pray for us, because in each house they have persons that like symbol of disease of fevers, okay, fevers and coughing, and later 3-4 days it's starting bleeding. So this kind of disease has been effect to the subdivision of Pongro. So I would like to request everyone for your help of the prayer, as well as the government to request, please take in the matter of this kind of disasters. Okay, disasters for the, when we go into the terms, this kind of disaster called epidemic disasters means to. Thank you all for uh, watching my video, and if you yet to subscribe to my channel, if you want to see like this kind of more video for awareness, you can subscribe to my channel Hanso T official 9536. This is my channel name, channel code. So you can search, or you can search in the YouTube Hanso T official. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and let's see that how the sunset go. This is sunset. The sunset, beautiful sunset is going on now. So thank you all. See you in next video.